Hi, this is day 25 of my home remodeling project, and I already started out with putting the drywall up and also finishing putting up the cement board. So the bathroom is fully drywalled, and I also cut off the flange for the toilet. It was like a cast iron flange, so I had to use like a cutting tool to cut it off because I'm going to put a PVC toilet flange on there, and then I'm gonna start tiling the floor, filling in the gaps on the cement board, and if I get enough time and if it dries, I'm gonna apply the RedGuard, and let's see what else I can do today. So I finished tiling the floor in the master bathroom, and I also filled in the gaps around the cement board in the shower, but I still have to wait to dry 100% before I can apply RedGuard.